After discussion types of software, the types of software is there are two types of software: system software and application software. But in last class discussion the system software and functions of software. Same type today discussion the application software and its function. First discussion what is application software. Application software is a group of program. Application software is a group of program designed for the users. Designed for the users. Then it is also called end user program. It is also called user program. Then this software is created for a specific purpose. Using this application software, we can perform the specific tasks. Then this is called user program. Then this software also created for specific purpose. Then any type of purpose can use and perform the functions and tasks. Any type of tasks also we can perform with the application software. This is also called user program. User can perform the specific tasks. This software it is called user program. Then all the software applications which are designed in the computer laboratory encapsulation the application software. Then using of this software we can perform the any type of design in the laboratory or computer operation. Then an application software may contain the single programs which programs a limited function with a limited function. For example, notepad application with your can writing and editing for text. Same type of application software may consist of group of programs which work together to achieve the purpose. Notepad with your can perform the tasks. Same type the Excel with your can perform the tasks. Then with the MS Word with you can perform the tasks. Then it is also called the software package. Application software is also called software package. Then for examples of spreadsheet programs and some application program are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Then with the student record softwares, railway reservation software, Microsoft presentation. Microsoft presentation means a PowerPoint. Okay, then is the Microsoft Office software, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all is the examples of application software. Then some important features of application software. What is the main use of application software? It is close to the user. It is the close to the user means it is very related to the user. Then it is easier to design. Here you can very easily you can design the any type of tasks. Then it is written in high level language, not it is written in high level language. Then it is easy to use and manipulate and require the large storage space. But application software is broadly categorized into two types. One is package and customized software. Application software also two type. One is packages. Second is customized software. The next is what is packages or what is the types of package application. The package are application software which are used to perform the specific tasks based on the requirements. Which type of requirements which you can use, that is a package software. They are also referred as a application package. Application software or application package. For the examples of some application package names are: one is word processing software. Word processing software with you can typing, saving, modifying, bolding, designing, any type of can design. Then it is a word processing software. You can use also in the some lower classes how to bold, italic, underline, then with the font style, font size. Then here also you can use with some operation. Then this application software process the text to create organize the document. For example, MS Word, then MS Word with also you can type, save, open, close, change the styles, this type of operations used with the MS Word. Next is another package application is presentation or presentation graphic software. Presentation graphic software are known as PowerPoint. You are also using 4th class for is the PowerPoint. PowerPoint presentation are used to create a presentation to present to others. Then presentation graphic software, this application software is used to create attractive presentation. Presentation means to present others are known as a presentation. Okay, this application software is used to create attractive presentation and includes text. Here you can add text, then you can image, and you can also add a sound. For example, says MS PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a graphical presentation software. Graphical presentation software or graphical application. Next is same type Excel. Excel also. There is Excel, Microsoft Excel also application software. Here you can also solve the some mathematical operations or financial accounting. These three is the main examples of application software or package software. Next is customized software. Customized software means the application software available in the market does not meet the need of the organization. These organizations often require something more specific and related. They can then get their software customized if there is the specific form of the vendors. This software is known as tailor-made software. Which software are used in the custom application, but customized of different application are known as customized software. Same type the customized application software requiring railway station. Railway stations use of customers for the booking of tickets. Same type income tax using of the customized software to calculation of income tax. Airports booking of tickets of airlines. Then same type schools for use of the students fee collection. Same type colleges using with the students fee collection. Then office also some collections of the customers. Then this application used for custom related to it is the customized application. For example, payroll softwares, then inventory management softwares, student record softwares, income tax software. This type of entry and store. This is the some inventory management. This applications of customized software. Then same type some utility programs. Then backup of files. Backup of files means which data you can save that backup it. Having a backup of computer files ensure that the data are safe. Data are safe means cannot be formatted. This backup utility software is used to create supplementary copies of the entire data files in the computer. Which data safe, that data can complementary again to save. Then this ensures that all the data are never lost from the computer or there always copy of the data for future use. It can copy the all data again futures use. Then how to access the backup and the restore facilities of the computer. First click on start, click on control panel, then system and security appears this type. Then click on backup and restore. Click on backup and restore means automatically restore. The backup and restore window appears on the screen. you can choose the requirements options from there as per your requirement. Then scanning for virus. Scanning for virus means what? Virus is a programs, it can damage of the computer programs. Then what is antivirus software? Antivirus software is a utility software which scan the computer files for the presence of the virus. If a virus is affected to the computer, if antivirus is loaded, then remove of the virus. Which type of, if the disease in the man, then if take the medicines to remove of the disease. Same type, if the computer with the virus, then if loaded the antivirus software, then remove of the virus. Then this software need to be installed in the computer as it does not come packaged with the Windows 7. Then this software is used to separate computer for malwares including the virus and the computer worms. If any type of virus is affected and worms is affected, that is again removed. Then antivirus software may also removed for prevent spyware and adverse along with the other forms of malicious program. Then it is a mainly requirement for removing of virus. Then some antivirus softwares are Quickels, Norton's, Avasta, McAfee, Sophis, then with a symbol, etc. are the examples of names of some antivirus softwares. But Quickels you can also install for removing. Then is the Norton's, McAfee. These examples of some antivirus application. This the if install means remove the virus from the computer. Then it's defragmentation. Defragmentation means the defragmentation is the software which is used to rearrange the fragmented data so that the disk drive can work properly. If defragment the computer, then computer can work properly. Then disk fragmentation unusually runs on the schedule but can be done manually too. First is a click on start, same type click on all program, click on accessories, then click on system tool, then click on disk defragment. Then the disk fragmentation window appears. Then is the from under the current status, choose the disk which you want to defragment. Then from the last run you can check the percentage of disk fragments. Here appears. Then click on defragment disk. Means automatically defragment the systems. Then the defragments of disk may be take times. Means check one by one to take more times. But this don't use in the your computers. Okay, only read the steps, but don't use in the computer. These are major problems. Only read, but don't use in the practical for your computer. Okay, then this words you can remember. First is software. This main point. What is software? We can discussion. Software is a program that makes the computer perform the specific task. Software is the program that can perform the specific task. Then same type, what is the system software? A collection of a program designed to operate, control and extend the processing capabilities of the computer. System software also collection of a program designed to operate, control and extend the processing capabilities of the computer. Then same type, what is utility software? Utility software also the system software designed to analyze, configure, manage and maintain the computer infrastructure. This is a utility software. Then operation support system. A set of programs that set and communicates service provider to the monitor, control analysis and manage the telephone on the computer network. This is the operation support system. Same type application software. The software is created for specific purpose that perform the coordinate the functions and the tasks of the for the benefits of the user. User can perform any tasks in the computer with the software are known as application software. Same type antivirus software, a utility software which scan the computer files for the presence of a virus are known as antivirus software. Okay, then this you practice, then this exercise also send it and you practice.